These colorful Easter eggs will soon line the landscape on the Ohio University Lancaster campus. Phi Theta Kappa, a National Honor Society on campus, sponsors an Easter egg hunt each year for Big Brothers Big Sisters of Fairfield County.
It's just very nice to get different people from the community to come help and to help the kids out, and it's really fun to see all of them just see like how happy they are when they get their candy and like playing the games.
The eggs are hidden all over the campus. The PTK members filled several hundred eggs with candy on Tuesday, March 26th. It took the students a couple of hours to fill them all up.
I think that it definitely helps them know that like somebody cares, like besides the usual parents and stuff, and just like it's really cool to have that college connection, to have like the college kids helping them out and like willing to take a day off to play with them. So I think that's really special for them.
Phi Theta Kappa members accepted donations of candy to fill the eggs. Barnes said being involved in events like the Easter egg hunt is really important.
There's something different about just coming to school and just doing classes and actually getting involved and doing things and building those relationships with people and being able to serve the community.
The PTK Big Brothers Big Sisters of Fairfield County Easter egg hunt is Saturday, March 30th at 1 p.m. About 35 Big Brothers Big Sisters children and their families are expected to participate. I'm Sherry Russo.